Hi, I'm Wendy Hollander, and I'd like to show you how I like to use the Creative Studio Goldfaber Color Pencils to draw a tulip in color. Here are my art supplies that I'll be using, and I work on a hot-pressed watercolor paper. These oil-based pencils have many unique properties that work really well for drawing and blending color. I like to start with a grade of black pencil, and you can see I'm creating my drawing of a tulip, and I'm using this pencil to start creating my shadows and leaving my highlights so that I'll get a vibrant, realistic, very three-dimensional drawing of a tulip. So first you can see I'm using this pencil, and I love the way the pencil lays down color. It's very smooth, and I get a nice even texture. And then I'm going to show you how by drawing one petal first I can practice my colors. And so my tulip is a pinkish purple color, and so I'm blending the pinks now over that first black pencil I used, and the colors blend with the black to create my shadows and highlight. As I said before, it gives me the opportunity to get vibrant color and get a lot of different values to create a three-dimensional looking drawing. And now you can see I'm layering golds and greens, which the colors are transparent and they blend beautifully. And now I'm creating this overlap of a leaf and making it look very three-dimensional, using a lot of contrast. I like to get really darks. As you can see, I'm adding them in now, and that's the secret to making your form look three-dimensional, and these pencils work great for that. I like using an oil-based pencil such as this because you don't get a waxy bloom on the paper, and it allows you to layer and layer and layer your color. The color also has superior light-fast ratings, which is great because I like to use this drawing as a finished piece of artwork and not worry about it fading over time. And now you can see I use a technique where I blend and burnish the pencils, and that way I get a nice smooth finish in the end by continuing to add layers of saturated color. And now you can see I'm laying out the 6 or 7 colors that I used to create this drawing of a pinkish purple tulip in color. This pencil comes in 48 bright, beautiful colors, making it the perfect medium to use alone or with watercolor pencils.